Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you're... Oh, I spilled the milk. I spilled the milk. It's okay, I just remembered. It's no use crying over spilled milk. Today's video is about proverbs. A proverb is a short sentence or a saying, usually known by many people, stating something that is commonly experienced. It is also used to give advice. Also, you do not take the words literally. It's no use crying over spilled milk. It's not about milk, okay? Yes, I will still clean up, of course. The meaning is it's not useful feeling sorry about something that has already happened and something that you can't change. Some other examples are, he spent all this money and you can't do anything about it. It's no use crying over spilled milk. I failed my exam and I'm really sad. Don't worry, it's no use crying over spilled milk. This book doesn't look very good. This one looks boring. This one looks okay. This looks very nice. I will read this book. Wait a minute. You can't judge a book by its cover. You can't judge a book by its cover means you cannot know how someone or something is just by looking at the person or thing's appearance. For example, a candidate for a job did not look very intelligent, but you can't judge a book by its cover. The restaurant looked amazing with beautiful decor, but the food didn't taste very good at all. You can't judge a book by its cover. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Again, we're not talking about birds or my hand. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush means it is better to be satisfied with what you have got than to lose trying to get something more or better. For example, you may not like your job, but you can't just quit in the hope of getting a better one. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Another example is you might not like the COVID-19 vaccine being used in your country, but you are still better off in taking that rather than waiting for another one. A bird in hand. Next one is every cloud has a silver lining. There are plenty of clouds, but where are the silver linings? Oh, silly me. It's not literal. We're not talking about clouds. But where is the silver lining? Every cloud has a silver lining means every difficult or unpleasant situation has an advantage, or there is something good in everything bad. For example, when I'm going through a hard time, I try and remind myself every cloud has a silver lining. Also, for example, lockdown can be very difficult. You have to stay home and you can't go anywhere. But you get to spend more time with your families. You do have more time to do the things that you love. That could be reading, painting, or even cooking. Next one is make hay while the sun shines. But how do I make hay? I live in the city and the sun never shines in this country. Oops, my bad, not literal. Make hay while the sun shines means to make good use of the opportunity while it lasts. For example, it snowed in London a few days ago. You can check out my video about that. So I thought, let's go out and enjoy the conditions. Let's take some pictures, make a video, and build a snowman. The next day, the snow had gone. So I was right. Make hay while the sun shines. Also, when you get a few days off work, enjoy your free time. Make hay while the sun shines. Okay, let's do a recap. The proverbs are: number 1, it's no use crying over spilled milk. Number 2, you can't judge a book by its cover. Number 3, a bird in hand is worth 2 in the bush. Number 4, every cloud has a silver lining. And number 5, make hay while the sun shines. Now it's your turn. Match the examples I give you with the proverbs we covered today. Example number 1. The car was small and looked unsuited for a long trip, but packed a lot of power and was very solid. Number 2. Do not put your life savings into risky investments or a new business. You may lose everything. Example number 3. It is half term and I'm off school for a whole week. I'm going to enjoy myself. And example number 4. The school trip had been a disaster, but we did not want to dwell on it. Dwell means to think about it for long. And 5. Getting laid off is tough. Laid off means to lose your job. Getting laid off is tough, but it might help you find a job you actually like. So, you can write the answers in the comments section below, or you can join my Facebook group for students and post your answers there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Until next time, bye bye.